Hi everyone, it's Gail. The long-term high time frame charts on several of the charts are at very interesting points. We have the dollar yen breaking through significant levels and creating momentum to the long. And right now we have the pound dollar and the euro dollar both taking significant dives to the short. The pound dollar is of a special interest to me, and I'm going to show you how I'm looking at this chart. Right now I have the daily chart up, and you can see this huge impulsive move down, which follows a series of higher highs and higher lows. We have a very visible level of accumulation where buying interest was held for extended period of time. The swing low is here, and that is a significant swing point to me. So as price approaches this level, it's going to be holding my attention to see if price is able to continue this move, make a decisive break of this swing point level, creating a lower low. Or what I suspect is that it will not be able to make a decisive break. It might break below. I will be surprised to see a decisive break. And that would be decisive in terms of a bold close significantly lower, down around this level, down around 151. We're at 152.25 now. That would involve a significant trend line break. I haven't drawn it on this chart, but there is a very orderly move that we've made up into the middle of this move down. It's been very orderly, so we would expect to see what happened, which was for price to make a significant move down within the channel that you could draw here. But as price comes down into the supply, I expect to see price unable to break, and we'll see whether that happens or not. And if it is, then there should be some significant long activity that could possibly take price back up into these levels. So this is a very interesting chart to me. Let's see how it looks on the monthly, because I just want to show you some higher time frame conditions as well. This is our monthly chart, and we have a monthly pin broken to the long in place, which drove price up into the middle of this monthly candle where we saw that retrace happen. I also want to point out that we have been operating within a well-defined box, and that pin was at the bottom of the box. So I will not be surprised to see this pin continue to act as the lower perimeter of the box, and to see price start to work its way up, trying to test back against prior highs, which would initially be around, could go as high as 163. So that's our monthly chart. And let's look at the weekly. On the weekly chart, sort of a V pattern on this move. Now we've come down about halfway down. There's, as I look at the monthly, the weekly, the daily, just more supporting information for me in terms of why I think that price probably will not be able to make that decisive move down. Are we finished yet? No. Stochastic is angling down. It's aggressive. We are momentum pretty much on every time frame. The 4-hour down, daily down. The weekly, we're still pointing up, and we have the lower band occurring around 151 now. So this is a chart I will be watching to see, especially on this daily chart, what price does as it comes down and challenges this 152 level, which we are rapidly approaching.